Audio Jungle.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back on my channel Crypto Victoria. So, guys, today I again come with an amazing, awesome review for my audience. Here, before starting the review, I would request if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further amazing upcoming videos notification. As you know, I always come with an amazing reviews for my viewers. So, guys, here I am talking about Decentra Wood, guys. This is very amazing and awesome platform. And guys, firstly, I have to tell you about our current price, which have now increases price of this native token Decentrawood, and now it's increasing, and it will be getting more higher at this week. And now I want to show you a bluish, completely bluish graph of Decentrawood here on my screen. And guys, it will be more bluish if you join, and upcoming days their price will be increasing. So before it increase, you have to grab your right now point, and here you have to grab, and here you have to get some tokens. So guys, I have placed all of the official links of Decentrawood in my video description. You have to simply click and you can join here. And guys, you have to also invite your family and friends at this awesome platform. And guys, before I have to say something, that I'm not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment. I'm not responsible for your any profit or loss. So here you can see that our current price, that is 0.002376, guys, and it's really increasing, guys. And now if we talk about, let's their previous price, that's will on March 8 2024, then it will be 0.005465. Here you can check out. If we talk about previous our price, and fast forward in a few weeks, like in May 18 2024, it's gave again a skyrocket to 0.01 and increases to 18x. So at 11 August, if we talk about, then here is our different prices. Here you can see that. And now on 17 January 2025, its price is 70% in a single day increases. So we are what's driving this growth? Decentrawood's revolutionary generated AI platform, guys, that's powered by GEOD tokens. This cutting edge platform is disrupting industries with its innovative AI solutions for content creations, automations, and more here. So you have to don't miss out, guys. Be part of Decentrawood movement and experience the future of AI powered innovations with Decentrawood. And guys, you have to stay tuned with us for our further next updations, and also the big next big price pump. And we here is the all the elite investors and ventures capitals that are investing in Decentrawood and predicts there is pump is now outgoing and it increasing more here, guys. So here is our website, white paper, Twitter, Telegram. All links is available, guys, in our coin market cap review. Here you can see that. And guys, now we want to talk about Decentrawood, our official website. This is the home page. Here you can see that. Here you can get AI images by creative AI powered art tools. You can create here. So this is the turn imagination into stunning visuals with our text to image and image to image. It's on to you. What want to you do? If you have to create an image from text, you can do. If you have to create an image to image with AI features, you can do. And transform, how you can create, guys, you have to generate here, and you have to connect to your Phantom wallet extension or MetaMask. It's on to you which wallet you have to do. You have to done with this. And guys, now we talk about how you have to create your account. Guys, you have to simply click on create an account here, and then you can enter in the world of Decentrawood. Here is the you have to just create your account. You have to continue with your you have to log in. And how you have to log in? You have to simply register your email and your name, and then it will be on to your. After that, you can check out our all of the. This is the Decentrawood's gaming, guys. Here you can check out. Here you can place these all of the games. Here is Unleashed Dragons challenges, the Tigers. These are the all of Decentrawood's gaming platform, guys. Here you can check. Here you can play. And guys, now we talk about our cultures. Here you can see that this is the journey through rich tapestry of cultures. Here you can see that about all of the cultures of Decentrawood here. And guys, now we talk about our white paper. Here is our white paper where you can get all of your. If you have any questions or query, then you can get here. You have to must download this, and this is the Decentrawood's guide. And these are the all of the events that will be placed on Decentra Wood here. This is our Instagram account where you have to follow for our further latest announcement and news. And guys, this is our Telegram community where you have to join and you have to invite your family and friends. And guys, this is our Twitter official account where you have to follow, like, comment, retweet. Decentralized metaverse platform for entertainment where users can create content on it and can earn a lot of proof profits here. And guys, this is the AI powered metaverse platform that where you can create on governed by the creativity community of artists, game developers, and on the all of the gamers. So it's on to you what you have to do here. You have to join here. You have to grab here. Guys, this is our all of the white paper of Decentrawood. Here you can get all of the information, introduction about what is Decentrawood, how you can mint, buy, sell, import our NFTs, marketplace, each and everything, our vision, mission of platforms, what we can do, our all of the technologies, economy, roadmap about our team, and each and everything is available in our white paper. You have to just download this and you can read here. And guys, you can get these are the our all of the features what you can do at Decentra would. Guys, here you can create text to image, and here you can create image to image enhance. You can modify, imagine existing image with these, and you can also use custom AI models. And this is the community library here you can get, and you have to stunning art created with AI Decentra Woods. Here the all of the our arts very beautiful, guys. And these are the all of the from ideas masterpiece made easy with AI. Here you can ask all of the our questions if you have here, then you can get, guys. I hope you like my video. See you next video. Thanks for watching, guys.